Hello friends, today I am going to show you how can you use index match formula to join two separate sheets by using a unique value or the variable values. So when I will use this formula at the end of the video, you will see the sheet like this, where you can, by utilizing the customer ID and the invoice name, you can merge the sheet for the customer name and the dates on which the customer have done the shopping. Here I would like to explain VLOOKUP you can use as well. Here it will also work, but the limitation of the VLOOKUP is if you insert here a column, it will not serve the purpose, so VLOOKUP will fail here. So that is why we use index match. So let's begin. So first I will apply the match formula and then the index formula, then I will join the index match formula to show you how we can merge these two formulas to bring here the customer name and the dates. So let's begin. It is equals to write MH, double click on the function. It will ask you the what is the lookup value. The value always the single value, so we are looking for this value. And lookup array is the list of the values, so I will select this one. Array is here and I need the exact match. I will double click on it, exact match, close parenthesis. It is equals to, it will give me the number of row where this column ID is available. It is available in third row. And the index formula, it is equals to write index, double click on it. It will ask you two things. The first thing, it will ask you the array is this, the customer name, and then the column number I already extracted here, so I will select it, close the parenthesis. It is equals to, so it will bring here the customer's name. Now here I will now I will show you how you can combine these two formula to avoid these two steps. So the method is simple. It is equals to write index, double click on it. It will ask you the array. Where is the array? Array is here. I want the value from here, from this array, comma, row number. Instead of row number, I will write here match, and I will follow the same formula what I have done here. It will ask me the lookup value. The lookup value for me is this, and then the lookup array is this, and then I will say I need the exact match after inserting the comma. Then I will close the parenthesis, and again there are two parentheses. I will close the second one as well. It is equals to, it will give me the name directly. Now I don't need these two columns because the formula is already merged, so I can delete these two. I don't need, I just wanted to explain you. So for the dates, you can also apply this formula like index, and it will ask you the array. Where is the array? Array is the date, and then it will ask you the row number. I will write here similarly I have done before. I will double click on it, match. It will ask you the lookup value. Which value you are looking? I am looking for this value, the invoice. And where is the lookup array? Array is here. And then it will ask me, do you want exact match? Yes, I want exact match. I will close the parenthesis twice. It is equals to, it will give me the dates, so I can easily watch here on which date this ID or this customer come to store and buy stuff. I hope you like this video. Bye bye.